Hello everyone, today I have a problem with the Super Journal water dispenser. So this dispenser also have a small fridge here, space for the empty glasses, and the actual problem is this water tap are leaking. So now we will see how we can fix this issue. So first of all we need to fill this inside. There is a small tank, so we need to fill this tank and observe the water leakage, and then we can do the repairing. So this stainless steel pipe, it is for the overflow, and bottom there is one pipeline which is the outlet. So now we have reached till the overflow, and first we will see whether the overflow is working or not. So it has one little air bubble, and we will see what is the issue. And here till now there is no leakage. This one is a little bit shaky part, I don't know why. So we will see. Yeah, now there is a drop. I will zoom in. Yeah, so you can see there are drops coming continuously. So we will check whether the operation of this tap is okay or no. Yeah, so operation wise it is okay, but it is leaking water. So we will dismantle it and we will go till the root cause and we will solve it. So first of all we have to remove this cover. So behind this cover we can see how we can reach to the valves. Okay, so but there is something strange. So as you can see, this is unusual screws. So mainly they fix it so no one can easily open it. So but we will try to open it because we have to go inside, and there are some screws on top. So we have another option. First we will remove this one and see what is inside. So there are both options, so we will choose first one which looks easy, and if further if it is needed further, then we will open this lid. And as you can see here, so someone has opened it because it is not the company fitting. So first of all we will unscrew this one and this one, and we will remove this cover. So now we can lift it little bit, and at front there are some kind of clip lock. So I will show you, there are 3 clip locks. I just need to use little bit force with the screwdriver. Or I can use some screwdriver to release the lock like this without damaging the plastic. Okay. So from inside it is very dirty. I can show you. So it is completely dirty from inside, and you can see there are bugs and paste. So we have to do some servicing as well, and we will solve the issue of these taps. So you can see 2 taps are here, so we have to just work on that. I will show you how it is connected from inside. So there are two pipelines. The cold one is connected with this one, and this is the part which is cooler, and another pipe, it is going towards the heater, and heater is, you can see it is going down, and there will be one heater. I will show you. As you can see, the left side one is the compressor which is producing the cooling, and the right side one is the heater. So this one is heater. We need to cut this cable ties. There is a plastic pipe, so we don't want to damage it. So this one is removed. Now the other one. So removed. So now we have to unscrew these things, and then we are good to take it out. As you can see here, there is no enough space, but I have this tool, and I will try to unscrew this one. So some of them may be easy and some of them will be difficult, but I don't want to dismantle it completely because it will increase the time which I don't want to spend. So but it is very tight, so I will do something to unscrew this one, and let me try this one as well. This one is much more difficult. There is no space at all. No. So I will use grip plier or something to hold this one and just try to make it loose, and after that I will unscrew this one with my hand. So the down one is very difficult because there are some pipes, and those pipes are not allowing me to unscrew it. However, keep trying and it will be unscrewed. So only just one little tick is required. I just need to rearrange. Just click here, it will release. So I have unscrewed these 4 successfully. Now 2 of them are still left here. So now I am oh my bad, no problem, I have another one. So now the last one is, I think I have loosed this one enough for the yeah, I did it. See, you see, I did it. So in the beginning there will be some difficulties, but as long as you will keep using the tools, your muscles will be stronger, and then you can do it with your hand. So there is the outlet which is connected here with the 2 pipes, and I don't know why this one is loose and this much loose. I do not understand. So first of all, let me free this one. You can see This one is something which is called a union or something, but I don't know why it was not leaking the water, or maybe it was leaking the water, but I did not observe it. Now just I need to remove this part. It is already out. So now you can see this one is in my hand. So cold one is the blue one, and this one is hot. So whenever we need to do the servicing, so better to check both, and if the seal or something need to be replaced, then change both at same time. So here I will show you how it was connected. So it was connected like this, and there is something called a rubber gasket or o-ring. So this o-ring is a seal, so it should go inside and click or something, otherwise it will be leaking. So no, we will see it later on. So this one is okay, and here can you see some garbage is inside. So we will clean it and we will find out why it was leaking, and then we will fix it back. So most important thing is there should be some option to unscrew it or dismantle it, otherwise we can say it is use and throw. But now you can see it is easy to remove, you see. So only the garbage is inside, and I think if I will remove this garbage, then the rubber is intact and it will work perfectly. So there is nothing to do more, and there are some fungus, so need to do little bit cleaning. So that is not a big task. So as you can see here and here, so I believe this one was leaking, but we need to check both together. Here is, so actually this is what, this is the seal which comes normally on the top of the water bottle. You can see here, this is the seal. So it is always a back to remove this seal and then put the water bottle on the dispenser, otherwise this seal, it will come and stuck in your wall body and cause a leakage. This is the water bottle, and as I explained earlier, so the main cause which makes our valve fail is this seal. So usually people, they put the bottle with this seal, which is wrong. So just need to pull this seal completely out, and then water will not come, because you see this is closed from inside. So when we will put it on the water cooler, then only it will be break and the water will come out. So this is the right way. If we will put the bottle with this seal, then this seal will get punctured, and the parts of this plastic, it may get stuck into the tap and water will leak. So while fixing it back, always check for one thing. I will show you. So this one is the cold, this one is the hot, so these two will come like this. So I will show you here, it will come like this, and you can see it is not straight. This one is little bit down and this one is little bit up. So when we are fixing this part, so we have to keep in mind which one will go up and which one will go down. Okay. Well, so it is like this. So we just need to tighten all the screws back, and boom, it's good to go. So we will start from the easy one. But we will not tighten it completely. Actually, I want to show you what I am doing, but if I will hold the mobile phone at front of me, so I will not be able to work properly. So that's why there is little bit difficulty to see what I am doing. So just hold like this. Okay, need some practice to hold like this, and then you can reach everywhere. Boom. So now we need to make sure it is applying enough pressure to avoid any kind of leakage, but I think it is good, and we can tighten it. Oh, no, not this time. So now it is working. This one is working, and here you see it is tight enough. So well, we have done our job. Well, now we will check it again whether this taps or somewhere else is leaking. I do not have a cable tie, so I didn't put here. If it is needed, so I will put, but right now I don't have, so that's why I didn't put it. So we just need to fill water. We will fill it till the top. So now we will observe whether the water is leaking or not. And as you can see, till now there is no dripping, but I will wait for some time. I will do some cleaning, and then we will be good to go, and then I will clean from inside, and once more we will do the flushing with the drinking water, and then it will be good to be used again. So well, it actually, this kind of appliances are a house of beast, so that's why I don't like. I have this one, Scotch Brite, and there is one common understanding that if we will wash the electrical appliances with water, so it may get damaged or spoiled, but it is not true always. So we have to be very careful. As you can see, this circuit, it has only the LEDs, so if it is wet with the water, so we just need to give some time to dry it, and then everything will be okay. So no need to be worried a lot, only we need to clean it. Like this. And there is some thing which is this is some safety device, maybe for overheat or something, or I don't know right now, but I will check what is this. So if you don't know what is the component, it is always good to know more detail about that component, so you will learn a lot every day. So now you can see I am cleaning this side, and this side. So we can clean everywhere. So be careful, there are some sharp edges of the screws, you see, so it can injure you. Be careful. So right now, see here, so be careful, it can injure you. So now I am going in more deep. Clean it. Now you have an idea how to clean the electrical appliances from inside without touching the electrical connection or wherever it's necessary. So rest of the things you can do clean. And here maybe I am able to show you that there is also some dirt, so we will remove this circuit and then we will do the cleaning. So here I am cleaning as much as possible. So here so that's why you know why the pest control is very important. If someone is not doing the pest control frequently, so this kind of things will occur and it will cause disease or some kind of unhygiene issues. So now I did as much as I can. So this part we have to do more cleaning. So I need to remove this circuit and then I will clean it. This one I have loose little bit, and this one is still tight, and I just need to lose it like this, and I don't want it to fall down inside. So one is removed and other one is also removed, but this one is little bit difficult. I have to bring some tool. This tool is very good, but it need a strong thumb and finger. So right now we can remove this circuit. So you see this white plastic, it is inserted inside the hole of the PCB. So we need to use some little bit force, so it will come like this without breaking. So you see here, so this circuit is dirty, but we have nothing to do with this, so we will only clean the plastic part. And you can see we have so I have cleaned as much as possible, and I will teach you the way how to clean something which is purely electrical, without water, only just wet Scotch Brite, and we need to clean without dripping the water inside, and after that with the foam we just need to wipe out. So this is the way, and let it dry completely, and then we can switch it on. Brushes are also good and useful to clean the tiny areas where we want to maintain the high hygiene. So you see how nicely it is cleaning. So there are some small corners I am not able to show you because there is no enough space where I can see and film together, not possible. So well, now I think you got an idea how to clean this one, and you can do as best as possible. So now it is done. So now we need to wash whatever we have done. So the thing is, we need to keep all the electrical things at one side, so it will not distract our focus. So rest of the area is washable, we can wash it. Only the shower direction should be opposite side from the electrical, so we can do washing like this, there is no issue. So I will not wash this one, and only from this side to this side, like this, and it is like this, and it is like this, and I will see whether the overflow is working or no. So as you can see, this overflow is not working, and I don't know why. So you can see how much dirty it was, and now it is clean. We need to do more cleaning, but very carefully. So that's good. And here is something, filter or something, I don't know what's wrong with this filter. It is working, but not as good as it should be. Okay, so I am leaving it here because it is not very necessary. Actually, the position of this overflow is not the correct side. It should be little bit down, because now you can see the water is on the edge, and now it is overflowing. So this overflow pipe and all is useless. I will do the washing of the compressor area and other areas. Don't worry if something get wet, because I will put under the sun to make it dry completely before turning it on. But I don't like this beast. So you can see we can wash almost everything unless it is not plug-in, and we just have to wait till it is completely dry, and then we will turn it on. So never ever attempt any home appliances to turn on if it is wet or recently washed. So now we will do the inspection whether we have removed all the dead bodies or no. So almost we have removed a lot of dirt, but still I am not satisfied. So I want to use a jet. Maybe my shower has a jet option. Yeah, luckily it has. So I will use jet like this. And I have to use another hand to make it little bit tilt and put some water, so more dead bodies and dirt will come out. It is almost 5 to 10 minutes, and I wanted to know whether we have done the leak arrest or no. So as you can see, there is no dripping, and you can compare it with the previous condition. So now this one is perfect, and we need to check whether it is operating or no. Yeah, both of them are operating, and whether after operating it is working. Yes, there is no dripping. I will check it again. So it is perfect. So now I will put it under the sun, and hopefully by tomorrow I will assemble it, and I will put the circuit back on the position and this lid, and I will check the cooling and heating function is working or no. I have drained the water from the reservoir tank, and I am going to remove it from here. And it is one good advice for you if you are married and want to live little bit more years, then clean up the mess, whether it is done by you or her. So it is always good idea. So now the thing is, we are going to assemble the circuit here. So first we need to make this area dry. So as you can see here, there are lot of drops, but no need to worry about that. Only we need to clean the area which is going to contact with the circuit. So like this. That's all. After 24 hours, now you can see it is completely dry, and this one is the thermostat for the refrigerator, and it is just controlling the compressor to maintain the temperature. किधर चले? क्या? So now this is the final try. So I am going to put this bottle here. Wow! And now you can see the power is on, and cooling is also on, and heating is also on. And you can see the water is going here inside, and this side is completely leak proof, and this has started cooling. So we will give some time, and after that it is good to be returned. You can hear that the compressor is working. Oh, it is almost more than 12 hours, and you can see there is no water dripping, so the problem is fixed. So whenever there is a problem, try to solve it from the root cause, otherwise you will face the same problem soon again. That's all. Thank you for watching.